Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at what are the messages for last 15 days of April. So let's see what are the messages for Taurians for the last 15 days of April. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment. So let's see what's there for Taurians for the last 15 days of April. Messages for Taurians for the last 15 days of April. So we have the Two of Swords, the Moon, the Six of Cups, the Temperance, the Queen of Wands, the Hangman, the High Priestess, okay, Eight of Wands, and the Strength. Okay. So Taurians, you're trying to make up your mind or trying to decide on something, and you're just listening to your inner voice as to what is the right decision. You really don't even have all the facts clear to you. There is something which you really don't have an adequate information on, or all the information on, okay, and you really don't know what's going around. Perhaps whatever it is, there is some lack of clarity of the situation. You are just listening to your inner voice and trying to come to a decision, or trying to think as to what is right and what is wrong. And what I feel here is that you are trying to think or make a decision regarding a reconciliation or a reunion, or maybe getting back to someone. Okay, it's like for some of you, it may be that are you trying to figure out, is there any third person involved in the equation? It can be that also. For some of you, yes. Not for all of you, but yes, for some of you, it may be that you are just trying to figure out that if your intuition is saying that there is some third person in the dynamics, is it true or not? It can be something like that for some of you. For others of you, you are trying to make up your mind regarding reconciling with someone, or getting back together with someone, or it's like old happy times once again type of a situation. Okay, with the Temperance, the Queen of Wands and the Hangman, what I feel here is that there is some sort of a moderation. You are feeling in power, you are feeling good about yourself, but the thing is, something is going on inside you that you're trying to weigh the pros and cons of the situation, and this situation is again talking about the decision which you have to make. Okay, and the lack of clarity you have regarding this situation. You really don't know what to do, whatever it is. Okay, and with the Hangman, what I feel is I think it's been quite some time that you are trying to make up your mind as to what should I do in this situation, and you have not made a move. Okay, and because of this, the situation is stagnant since a long time. But yes, it's always in your mind. There is something which you are trying to make up your mind on, and you're trying to decide on. It is subconsciously all the time in your head. Okay, it's not that it is never away from your mind. It's subconsciously, it is always there in your mind. But the thing is, it's been quite some time that you have not taken a decision, or you really don't know what the move should be, or should I make a move or not also. Okay, and after the Hangman, we have the High Priestess, the Eight of Wands and the Strength. So what I feel is definitely a lot of intuition is at play over here. A lot of intuition is being used, and the communication with Eight of Wands, you do communicate, and with the Strength, so it seems to be some sort of a difficult communication. It is something which is not easy to say for you, at least. Maybe the situation itself is such that you find it tough to put it across to the person. Maybe this reconciliation, or the talk about this reconciliation itself, is tough. So whatever it is, it seems to be some sort of a difficult communication, something which you are thinking and thinking and thinking since quite some time, and it is just there on your head all the time, but still you're not able to talk about it. And you are just thinking, maybe you are just thinking as to how to put it across. Maybe that is the thing, because the communication seems to be tough. Maybe that is the reason you are holding it back, because you are always weighing the pros and cons, that how should I put it that the other person doesn't feel hurt It can be that, or maybe how should I put it, that you get the results of reconciliation, or you get the positive results. Okay, the results are as you want them to be, in a good way, not in a bad way. There's no strategy or manipulation over here. It is something that you are trying to think about so that you are able to get the positive outcome. And that is why perhaps the communication is tough over here. That's what I feel. But you will be doing it anyway in near future. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Taurians. High Priestess, once again, a lot of intuition, always thinking about it. It's always on your mind. It's really a tough communication, but it is important for you. You know that you have to communicate it, but you want a positive result perhaps, and that is why you don't want to mess up at all with it. It can be that also. Eight of Thought, you may feel as though you are restricted by circumstances you find yourself in, but that is just an illusion. Make a promise to yourself to refuse to be stuck in a situation that is making you unhappy. Don't wait for someone to come to the rescue when you can free yourself. So it is all about your thoughts. Okay, you are just thinking and thinking and thinking about it. So you just need to make a strong communication, and rather I should say, no matter how tough the communication is, if you know that it has to be said, so you have to put it across. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.